This 2022 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 355 Pack 14 triple slide, 1.5 bath, 14 feet garage is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Forest River is 42 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 8, skylight, auxiliary battery, self-contained, slide-out, external shower, air conditioning, TV, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 355 Pack 14 triple slide, 1.5 bath, 14 feet garage is 12,988 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.